Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide apps on Motorola Moto G04 or G04s. Now, by default, there is no way to actually hide apps. Instead, we can use third-party app. Now, the one that I'm about to show you is not really that great. It might be annoying due to the ads that pop up whenever you try to open the hidden or locked app. But if you're looking for a way to hide or lock the app anyway, then let me show you what you can do. So you're gonna go to the Play Store and then let's search for the AppLock. This is the app that we want to use, and then we can tap install. After a few seconds, the app should be downloaded, and then we can open it. There we go. Now, first we need to set up the pattern that will be used in order to unlock apps that will be locked by us. So I'm gonna choose a simple one, like so. And there we go. Now, of course, we need to agree to terms of use, etc. And then we can start selecting apps that we want to lock. So let's say I want to lock TikTok. And once we select the app for the first time, we need to give permissions, grant permissions for the app. So let's select all of those, choose AppLock, and then grant the permit, and then do the same for the second one. There we go. And now at first all or most of them will be probably locked due to the fact that they are recommended to be locked, but we can tap on them in order to unlock really easily, like so. So let's keep unlocking them. And after all, let's say I just want to lock TikTok so that no one has access besides me or someone who knows the pattern, of course. So what we need to do is simply now we can close the AppLock. And if I try to open TikTok, then as you can see, I have to draw the pattern. So I'm gonna draw the pattern that I used before, and there we go. Now I can use TikTok. And if we close it, if we go back, then well, it's pretty much done. If I try to reopen it, I need to enter the password, the pattern once again. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, sometimes you might see annoying ads. So if you don't like this app, if you find it too annoying to use, then that's fine. At least there is just one of, I assume, many ways to lock apps, and this is one of them. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.